Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just carrying on from this week's video on Tuesday. I'll just lather up. So yeah, continuing on from Tuesday with this 7-day set of EKS razors. And the soap I'm using today is yet another Proraso. This is the Proraso Green. I haven't used this for a few months. It's more a summer soap. It's infused with eucalyptus oil. So it's got a very nice pine fragrance with it. That's what the Proraso Green, as opposed to the red or the white. And as an extra little treat, I'm going to finish off with Pino Sylvestre. Comes in a dinky little aftershave bottle like this. If you can get it these days, it's quite rare. And it comes in a package like so. And it's still made in Venice, as you can read, if I hold it still enough. Still made in Venice. So good for them, that's what I say. It's a great fragrance, very piney. So I'll go out of here smelling like a pine forest today. Right, so let's get back to this beautiful set of straight razors. I like the clasp on these, they're very, very strong. None of your flimsy rubbish. And it opens up very nicely presented. I just hold them so they don't tip into the sink. Very nice presented set. I like the gold wash. I'm not too sure what the handles are made from, but they feel like a natural material. Horn. Could be. I'm not too sure. So anyway, today I'm doing 3 razors instead of 2. I'll do the first razor for my neck and then the other 2 for each side of the face. So they're all pretty well consistent. Obviously made by a craftsman or craftsmen. I'll just stand out of the shot so you can focus on the still plenty of gold wash left, and I do like this bevel spine. I think it's really classy, that. I don't know if you can see that. And the toe, the nose, toe, front, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to get it in focus. Is that in focus? Anyway, carrying on. Each of these razors will pop a hair all the way down from front to back. And you can actually hear it singing away there. Well, this soap, you can feel the eucalyptus going up your nose. And when you go outside on a nice summer's day like today, well, it's not actually summer, it's still spring, but it's sunny, 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 and your skin feels really alive and refreshed. I didn't realise it was made in Venice, Pino Sylvestre. I remember using it in the 80s. Giving me age away now, aren't I? And anybody trying to guess my age? I started shaving when I was 6. So that's the shave test of what would be about 5, won't it? Yeah. 1 to 5. So I'll just quickly rinse. And then immediately, as I keep saying, you wipe it gently, sort of away from you, as though you're stropping it, and then back towards you on the other side. Just nice and easy. Get rid of any of that water. So that can go away now. So this is number 6. There's no numbers on, by the way. Normally you get the days of the week numbered on the spine. You can see the condition there. They're all pretty consistent. There's little bits of watermarks, or patina as you call it, but they are 100 years old, you have to remember. As you can see, the pivots are still stiff. So anyway, when I say I started shaving at the age of 6, actually it's not too far from the truth, because my first razor I got when I was 8 years old. It was probably something from Father Christmas in a package or something, you know when you go to see Father Christmas in the local church. Oh, we used to do in those days. And I got this cutthroat razor. It was plastic, and it was gold or yellow blade with a blue plastic handle. Yeah, I remember that. It helps also if during the shave, after 3 or 4 passes, just rinse and wipe the blade, and it gets rid of all the crud that can contaminate the edge, so your edge is always nice and clean. It does help. So I'll just get this off in one pass if I can. There we go. Very nice. So that's that shave test. So we're down to the last blade now, number 7. And I'll just replace, I normally just wipe the blades on some tissue on a flannel, and that way it keeps your blade clean as well as the towel. And it's just standard loo roll, you know, nothing fancy. If you stick that on the edge of the sink onto a wet flannel, it takes all the bristles off and doesn't clog the sink up. So this one has hardly got, the only gold wash that's left is on the tang, which indicates it's had more use, way more use than the other 6. It's still stiff on the pivots here, you know, on this pivot. But if you look on where the others have got a nice gold wash on the that diamond, but it says Gold Krone, this is completely worn off, which indicates quite regular use. However, it still pops hairs. It's still just like the others, you know. Which makes me suspect that it could have been owned, the previous owner could have been a professional barber, you know. This is buttery smooth. Oh, bloody hell. It's like this knee can't feel a thing. So I think my suspicions are correct. The guy who owned this, the previous owner, obviously knew what he was doing with this. This is like probably one of the best razors this is the best razor in the set. And they're all good. Well, this one's exceptional. Hell. So I think the previous owner must have used possibly a barber, a professional barber, who used to use this on his customers, and the rest put on display in his shop, maybe as a talking point. Maybe. But it certainly looks like it. Look how it takes that off. It's been owned by somebody who obviously knows what he's doing. Slightest touch. Any whiskers are off. I think that's probably one of the best razors I've ever had. Ever. Period. And I've been shaving with these for years, decades. So that's the final test, the final shave test on this magnificent set of matched German razors. Okay, I do have another set coming in from the Isle of Man, hopefully today, actually, this afternoon. So I'll be restoring that next week, and no doubt be shave testing that in about 2 weeks, something like that. It takes me about a week to restore a set like that. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you in a couple of weeks. Bye for now.